Boys and girls. Today we are going to be working on our fluency practice for Find the Common Products. So the first thing I want you to do is you're going to get your whiteboard, and if you don't have that yet, you need your whiteboard and your dry erase marker. So go on and get that and pause this, and once you have it, you can start the video again. So right now we're going to list our products of 4. Now in order to list your products of 4, that means the answer to the multiplication problems, like 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 9, and 4 times 10. And I just want us to list the answers. Now another way to do that is, or another way to think about that is to just think about counting by 4s. So we're going to list our 4s going down. So again, if you ever need me to slow down, just pause the video, and then when you're ready to start again, just hit play. So our products of 4. So first one is 4, and then we have 8, and then 12, and then 16, and then 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. So we've listed our products of our 4 multiplication table all the way from 4 times 1 through 4 times 10. Now we're going to do the same thing for the products of 8. So 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 8 times 4, 8 times 5, 8 times 6, 8 times 7, 8 times 8, 8 times 9, and 8 times 10. And our products, remember the word product means the answer to your multiplication problem. So let's count by 8s. So we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. So again, if you need to pause this to get those on your whiteboard, by all means, just hit pause and then hit play when you're ready. So the next thing I want to do is I want to look over in this column, the products of 4, and this column, the products of 8, and I want to find if there's any numbers that are matching. And the first one I see is there's 8 in both columns. Okay, so I'm wondering what a multiplication fact is using the number 4 where the product is 8. So what times 4 equals 8? Think about that. Great job. 2 times 4 equals 8. And then over here, what times 8 equals 8? Great job. 1 times 8. And we know anytime we multiply a number by 1, it's that number. So great job. Now I'm going to see if I can find any of the same products in both columns again. Okay, I don't see a number 12 over here. Oh, I see a number 16 here and a number 16 here. So those two match up. So what times 4 equals 16? Great, 4 times 4 equals 16. Now I'm going to come up here to my products of 8. What times 8 equals 16? Good, 2 times 8. So again, I want to keep reminding you, if I am moving too fast, just pause this video, and once you get caught up, you can start it again. So I'm going to keep looking for the same products. There's not a number 20 here. Oh, I see 24 here and a 24 here. So I'm going to draw a line to match those, and you can draw that line on your whiteboards. So now I'm thinking, what times 4 equals 24? And I know that most of you have mastered your 4s, but you could count by 4s and see how many times. So you have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So I counted by 4 6 times. So 6 times 4 is 24. Great job. Now what times 8 equals 24? And I could do the same thing, count by 8s if I'm not sure. 8, 1624. So my answer would be 3 times 8 is 24. Very good. Okay, 28 is not on both. Oh, but 32 is. So 32. So 8 times 4 is 32. And I did that one pretty quick because you're going to use the same one here. 4 times 8 is 32. So that one, they have the same multiplication facts. They just switched the order. And then the last one I see a 40 here and a 40 here. So what times 4 equals 40? Well, that's pretty easy. We can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So it would be 4 times 10. And then over here it would be 5 times 8. Now I want us to take the ones where we have lines drawn and kind of put those together, okay? So 2 times 4 is equal to 1 times 8, and I'm getting that right here. So 2 times 4 equals 8, and 1 times 8 equals 8. So 2 times 4 is equal to 1 times 8 because they have the same product, the same answer. Our next one is 4 times 4, which is 16, and the product of 2 times 8 is 16. So 4 times 4 is equal to 2 times 8 because they have the same answer. They have the same product. The next one is 6 times 4 is equal to 3 times 8. And they both equal 24. And then the next one is 8 times 4 is equal to 4 times 8, which is both 32. And then our last one is 10 times 4 equals 40, and 5 times 8 equals 40. So 10 times 4 is the same as 5 times 8. So that's just another way to think about your multiplication facts and finding the common products. The next thing is you're going to be doing your application problem, and you'll have a video for your concept development. So you can put this away now, and you're ready to get into your workbooks for your application problem.